Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your video quality on your YouTube app. So if you've been watching on YouTube and you've noticed that the video quality is either very high or it's either very low, and you want to change this due to maybe data restrictions or maybe you don't like the quality you're seeing, then let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up the YouTube app. Next, tap on this icon here at the bottom right, the U or your profile picture. Then tap on the gear symbol at the top right. Then scroll down until you see video and audio preferences. Here, tap on video quality preference. Then tap on either on mobile networks or on Wi-Fi. It'll bring you to the same menu. Now here, when you watch videos on your mobile network, you can choose to automatically recommend according to the experience or the network or the speed it has, or you can basically choose to make it show high picture quality or data saver. For videos that you watch on Wi-Fi, you can choose auto, which will basically automatically adjust according to the speed it gets, or you can choose high picture quality or the data saver. So here, by setting these configurations, you'll be able to change the video quality you watch on your Wi-Fi or on mobile network. So there you go guys. That is how to change the video quality on your YouTube app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.